Hello and welcome back again, my friend, to the Bitcoin price prediction or Bitcoin forecast or BTC price prediction. This is Thomas with you again. We came back in another video. As every time, if you are a long-term trader, stick with us only here in the daily. If you are a swing trader, go to the 4 hours. And if you are a scalper and day trader, go to 30 minutes. And you're going to find timeline down in the description of that video. So go choose depending on your trading style. So let's start our lesson of today. By the way, before we even start, yes, you, are you not yet subscriber? Why, my friend, make sure to subscribe to our channel and turn the bell notification on to receive all our latest updates and videos. It's not something hard, my friend, just a red button down, click at that, next to it a bell, turn it to all. So like that, when we put in something new, you're going to be notified. Or you can even join us in Telegram. The link of our Telegram channel is in the first comment, because in Telegram you're going to be notified more quicker than here in YouTube. You done it? Welcome to the family. So let's start our lesson of today. As you see here, that the Bitcoin was it done here today, it's breaking for us that level or that inside bar as we used to have here. It's getting broke now, and the daily candle it closed above that level here, and that's something very good news. Let me show you something very important here in the daily. If you remember what me have been telling you, people they been with us have been talking about that level here and the one here. That's what us we been talking about. And we said we got here a very clear wake up pattern here, and people they buy with us from here from 15k. They remember that people they been with us that months now. When we buy them from 15k here, they remember that very well. What me I told you if we break in here 100% at the bottom here, and all those people they waiting the Bitcoin at 10k, it will never go there. Now us we are here, as you see it, we're breaking that level here. Where is the next stop now? The next stop is it here. Let me show it to you again. The next stop is it here. Look with me here very well. That the next stop here is it at 30k. Also now we are 27k. I will not be surprised from here and tomorrow we are going to be at 30k. That the next stop here at 30k. Maybe we're going to see another drop to here to 25k to here, or maybe from here we're going to go to 70k without stop. And that's the power of our analysis, guys. That's the power of our analysis. Us, we are professional people. That the job of us and us, we just put in here that channel is like an entertainment to show you who we are. Us, we are not basing our income because of YouTube channel. Or me, if I show you my earning here in YouTube channel, you're going to laugh. Me, I earn 30 pounds per month. Some months it came to me 20 pounds. For me, I'm going to pay my bills by 20 pounds or 30 pounds. No, my channel, as you see it, it doesn't get that much of views. I just getting 10k per month. That way, me, I'm asking you every time to helping me by like, but me, I don't see that channel is growing up because the others, they giving people rubbish analysis and they getting every day 60, 70. And us here, we give you very highly information and we don't get any views. So please support us, guys. Support us how? Just smashing the like button every time when us we put in a new video, writing down comment, share the video if you could. So please help us, guys. And another thing here, what me I told you here about that one here. You remember people they been with us when we break in here. I told you, look at that. It came down here, rest here. Look where is it now. Now what the view is going to continue. I said give you everything now. And now it's liquidated all those people they be in here. Those people they be in here at 25,500. All of them they getting liquidated today. When the Bitcoin is going to continue because there is a huge volume here at 25,500 as you see it, and those ones they want to buy at 18k, it doesn't come back to them. But the view for those people now, let's make that week from that Friday till next Friday the option where is the Bitcoin is going to stay all the week. So let's go in there and see where the Bitcoin is going to stay. Here we are in the option that the page we analyze in it. The option every week. As you see it, the week is going to end up at 24. So let's start it here and we see where is it the pots and where is it the calls. So as you see here at 22 there is calls and there is pots here. 21 as you see it here. Look with me here. That where it is no calls. Is it here at 19,500 as you see it here. 19,500. And I'm going to tell you why those people they are scared that much. Because last week they make it just 20. And here, look at it, 19,500 for the pot. Let's see for the calls, where is it? Here, 27, there is pots and calls. Here at 28, there is spots and calls. Here at 29, there is calls here at 29k. The calls, they are too high compared to the pot, but we still have some Bitcoin here. Here is it. There is no pots here, as you see it. Where is it? Is it here at 30k? So we got two levels. Remember that, two levels. First level is it at 19,500, and the second level is it here at 30k. Remember those things. Let's go in now to our chart, and we're doing that two levels together. Here we are in the chart. So we set the first level here is it at 30k. We do it like that, and as you see it where it is, and down where we said 19,500 like that, and we click at OK, and as you see it, so those people, as you see here, down where it's being here, if it fall down again here to 19k, those people, they are going to buy, and I don't think so it's going to fall down. Over here is only people, they want to be safe and to collect in premium here, and here at 30k is going to make a correction. That's what me I told you. Or another scenario from here, all those people, they are waiting at 12k or 10k. You're going to see the Bitcoin from here jumping to 70k, because if we break in here that 30k, the next level is it here, is it at 37k. Everything is too clear, guys, here. Now let's go in to see what the Bitcoin doing today in the 4 hours. So let's go in there. Here we are in the 4 hours. Over here is only for swing trading. Yes, my friend, you are right. What else we said here in the last video where we analyzed the Bitcoin in the 4 hours? What else we said here? I came in the top of that one and the lower of that one, and I do it like that. You can find it sell in the channel. In the last video, I told you if the Bitcoin break here, you can enter long that. For the people, they haven't enter with us from down here, because us, we are the only YouTube channel we give people to enter when the Bitcoin is down here. Yes or no? Look where we are now. And me, what I told you in the last video, I told you if it Bitcoin break here, enter long. If you haven't entered with us from down, now look at it, it's breaking here. Look where we are. We are now at 27k. What should you do now? Should you enter short now? No, my friend, no. Yes, you got here a divergence, very clear, like the divergence here. I'm going to show it to you, but there is nothing here telling you you need to enter short. Even if you try here to connect in those dots like that, as you see it, you got here a very, very sharp trend line. You can do anything here. Yes or no? And me, I told you in the last video. What me I told you? I told you like that. You can make even like that. Even that one is getting broke here. Look at it. And I just write a message in my Telegram channel. It's breaking. Look at it. Everything is too clear. Now, let's see our indicator. What it's saying here in the 4 hours. Our indicator, as you see, that way me I told you, got here a divergence. I'm going to show it to you. As you see here, look here at that peak here, that one here, compared to the one here. And here in the chart, what you see? You got a very clear divergence here, as you see it from here and here. What that indicating? That maybe we're going to see a drop. Maybe. Should we enter short now from that level where we are now? No, my friend, there is nothing here telling you you need to enter short. I told you till 30k. Then after 30k, then we're going to see if we are going to drop or not. Till the Fed meeting came or the Jerome Powell came and tell us what the decision they are going to make. If it's going to be the peak, more than 5% interest rate, and how much they are going to increase interest rate this month. If they are going to increase by 0.50 or 0.25. That's the deal here. Here at that level, we don't got nothing now. We don't got nothing here. Even if you try here to make anything, we don't got nothing here. For us to base our trade on it to enter short. Remember those things. Everything is too clear. Let's go now to see our other indicator. What it's saying. That one here, as you see it. Also, we are here at the overbought area. Should we enter short now? No, my friend. We don't got any price action here indicating the market is going to reverse. It needs the market to give us here something to stay sideways here. To give us something here indicating the market is going to reverse at the right time for us to base our entry short. Till now, there is nothing. So there is no entry short here in the 4 hours. Remember those things. Everything is too clear. Now let's go into 30 minutes to see what the Bitcoin doing today in 30 minutes. So let's go in there. Here we are in 30 minutes. Over here is only for scalping and day trading. In the last video where I analyzed the SP 500 and the Nasdaq, what I told you, I analyzed the Bitcoin in 30 minutes and make it like that and like that. I just do it like that, and I told you, if it's breaking higher here, enter long. Did it break? Look at it. You just calculating by yourself or judge by yourself. Look at it. It's break here. The one it's indicating the market is going to go more higher than that. Here in 30 minutes. And what else I told you? In the video before, in that one. We make it like that and like that. And I told you when it's breaking here, enter long. Look at it. It's break here in that level here. Look till where it went. Now at that level where we are here, what should we do now? Same thing. You came here to that one here, to that low here, and you do it like that. And here in the top, you came and you do it like that. You got here a very clear wedge. Me, I'm talking here about the people they haven't entered now. If the Bitcoin came and break a lower here, that level here, enter short. Remember that. If the Bitcoin came and breaking down here, enter short. If the Bitcoin break above here, enter long again. Everything is too clear, guys. Here, let me show you our indicators, what they saying here in 30 minutes, what is going there. Our indicator, as you see it, also we are here at the overbought area, so technically now also we need to look in for short, but for us to enter short, it's need the Bitcoin to come to break for us that trend line which is here. That one here, if it's getting broke, we enter short. If it doesn't, there is no entry short. Remember those things, what I'm telling you. Let's see our other indicator, what it's saying, because we got something special there. Let's see it. That one here, even that one here in 30 minutes, we got here a divergence, guys, as you see it. You see it or no? We got a very clear divergence here in 30 minutes. Should we enter short now? At this moment, when I'm registering now, at this moment, there is no entry short, unless if the Bitcoin came and break in here. That level here, if it came and breaking that trend line here, enter short. If it doesn't, there is no entry short. Remember those things, what I'm telling you. Everything is too clear, guys. So that's it for that video. And please, please, please don't forget to support us by just smashing that like button, writing down a comment, and if you could even share the video. If you done it, thank you very, very, very much, my friends. See you in another video, guys. Bye for now.